Alright, this is the final video for you guys on this house, which is going on the MLS in a couple of days. So let's go ahead inside now and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, I'm in the house now. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom house, and we're going to list it probably for around $190,000. And we've got a photographer coming tomorrow to take some professional photos, and then it's going to go on the MLS probably in just a few days. So let me just show you what it came out like. Okay, so now I'm in the kitchen. You can see we go with the brown backsplash. We've got brown granite countertops. And we are using stainless steel appliances, and everything's neutral colors, right? So the wall paint, neutral. This is what we call the brown theme. Everything's stainless steel. So that's what the kitchen looks like. Okay, and then in the bedrooms, we're using this laminate flooring, which I think I showed you in another video, right? So the look that we get, you've got the laminate flooring there, and then in the main areas, we have this regular tile, which is just traffic master tile. And let me just go ahead and walk through, show you one of the bathrooms. Okay, and here's another one of the bedrooms. So as you can see, it's just a very standard uniform look. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. All the bedrooms have laminate flooring, white crown molding, light brown paint, and all the floors in the common areas and the rest of the house outside of the bedrooms is just basic 16 by 16 traffic master tile. So a house like this on the MLS at $189,900, which is probably what we're listed at, will probably have multiple offers within a day or two of being listed on the MLS, and should sell at or above asking price, right? So it should represent quite a good profit. So thank you for watching, guys. Scroll back, there's 2 other videos on this house, so you can see when we got the house, we started the rehab, and then there's another video when we were halfway through the rehab, and here this video is showing you the final result, so you can see what it looks like from start to finish. And thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.